The CDC is recommending that we all pause our distribution of Johnson & Johnson.
Use of the Johnson & Johnson COVID vaccine being stopped for now.
We expect it to be a matter of days for this pause.
The problem, 6 people have gotten blood clots out of 6 million shots.
That's a 1 in a million chance of having that type of a severe side effect.
It's not clear that the vaccine is causing the problem.
We don't know for sure about the relationship between these events and the J&J vaccine itself.
We shouldn't panic. We just need more information.
I don't think that I would right now say the vaccine is not safe.
Is the vaccine still safe? I would say absolutely.
Experts say it's so important people should still get vaccinated.
All these vaccines continue to be very safe.
It's the right thing to do to get vaccinated now.
And we have live team coverage on this tonight, too. News 8's Eva Zamora starts us off live from Hartford tonight. Eva.
Well, good evening to you, Darren. The medical community has acknowledged just how unsettling and frankly scary this news might be, but they are reassuring everyone that this is very rare and there is still a lot to be learned. Hitting pause on the Johnson & Johnson vaccine out of an abundance of caution after reports emerged of an extremely rare but serious type of blood clot forming in 6 patients weeks after their shot. To date, almost 7 million doses of the J&J vaccine have been administered in the U.S., roughly 100,000 of those right here in Connecticut.
This will allow careful deliberation about what we know so far about these events and consider next steps.
The CDC and the FDA say all 6 cases were among women ages 18 to 48, and symptoms occurred 6 to 13 days after vaccination.
It's not clear that this was a cause and effect. This kind of disorder does happen spontaneously. Is the vaccine triggering that response?
The CDC and the FDA say they're currently reviewing the data and investigating a possible link, with more to be learned in the days to come. In the meantime, doctors within Hartford HealthCare and at the Yale School of Medicine eased concerns some might have.
I think that number by itself represents a very few patients who ended up getting the blood clots. So I think that's an important point to consider.
They're also encouraging everyone who hasn't been vaccinated to consider the 2 other vaccines, Moderna and Pfizer, during this pause.
It's my parent or my grandparent. I would just be asking them, just please get vaccinated because the risks are so much higher with contracting the SARS-CoV-2 infection.
And if you've received the J&J vaccine, you're being urged to look out for these symptoms: severe headache, abdominal pain, leg pain, and shortness of breath. If these symptoms develop within 3 weeks of vaccination, contact your healthcare provider. And any adverse side effects should be reported right away, as they are working to learn more. Now, it is unclear at this point how long this pause will last. Live in Hartford tonight, I'm Eva Zamora.